The PIP package installation is now complete, and now we have our basic Python elements to install packages, Python packages that we require in order to perform image processing and image analysis. We are going to install it one by one. So the first package we are going to install is NumPy. NumPy is a very important Python package that we require because NumPy enables us to convert an image into a multi-dimensional array. And we already know that picture is composed of tiny dots called pixels. So what NumPy does is that NumPy will convert the whole picture into numerical multi-dimensional arrays. So in order to perform any calculation, it will be very easy because we already have a numerical array and we can perform the calculations. So everything is number and we can do the processing and perform the calculations based on that. So it's a very important library that we require. The command to install NumPy is using the Python package installer, the PIP3 package installer that we just installed. We can install the NumPy library also. Just issue the command PIP3 install NumPy. Let's go to our virtual machine, PIP3 install NumPy, and it's downloading the package. Okay, the NumPy installation has been completed successfully. Let me clear the window. Okay, and let's now proceed with installing the next library that we require, which is matplotlib. Matplotlib is actually a plotting library. Plotting, just like all we know, plotting points in a graph or plotting points in a histogram. So for all these kind of things, we are using matplotlib. So we are going to install matplotlib just by using our command, the PIP3 install, then the library name, that is a matplotlib. Let's issue the command PIP3 install matplotlib. Press enter and it will download and install the package. It's downloading all the other dependencies required for matplotlib, and you can see that matplotlib along with all the other dependency packages has been installed. Now let's move on and proceed with the next package, which is SciPy. So Python is a language basically used for scientific research purpose. So SciPy is a library which contains the tools and features for doing this scientific and technical computing, and here we are doing image analysis, which is a kind of a scientific thing. So we are going to install SciPy. The same command PIP3 install SciPy. Okay, let's go to our command prompt, clear this once, PIP3 install SciPy. It's downloading SciPy and it will proceed with installation. So installation is now complete. SciPy along with the package called NumPy, which is also required for us, has been installed. So these two packages, SciPy and its dependency NumPy, has been installed. scikit-learn and scikit-image. So scikit-learn is not an image processing library, it's a machine learning library, and we will be using some machine learning techniques like clustering, vector quantization, classification models, etc., so that we can have the image recognition and all. And also we will be installing scikit-image, and we will be installing these two libraries using the command PIP3 install scikit-learn and PIP3 install -u scikit-image. -u is actually used for installing as a root user. So let's proceed with the commands. PIP3 install scikit-learn, reinstall scikit-learn, downloading the scikit. It's downloading another dependency called SciPy, and installed scikit-learn along with the other dependencies in our computer. And now let's do one thing, let's install the next one, which is our scikit-image. So PIP3 install -u scikit-image. PIP3 install -u scikit-image. Downloading the scikit-image package. It's downloading the other dependencies that is required for scikit-image. The scikit-image has been installed. So we are almost set to proceed with our opencv based Python programs, exercises and all. In the next session we will install an IDE for Python so that we can write the code very easily using all the tools, the formatting tools and all, and we will run the code from the console available there itself, so it will be much easier for us. So we will be installing a Python IDE in the next session, and once that is installed we can proceed with coding our exercises. So see you soon in the next session. Have a great time. Bye bye.